Good morning. Pengam Bridge. That's the running session. You're cleaning the track and everything and all them dust off and putting things back. This is still out of commission at the moment. It's just stored with all bits and pieces. It does work, but it's out of commission at the moment. As you can see, we've got some trains running on the bottom as well as the top. I'll just show you what we've been up to now. I haven't done anything on the bottom. There are a lot of loose wires hanging down, but don't take any notice of them, but in the process of dealing with them, there's all the point motors now are being fitted. I'm in the process of sorting them out. So there's a DMU there, the big platform. And the 25 coming through on line 1. And there's the 29 on the relief. The Western is loading passengers on platform 2. So that's the idea up there. We've got a freight train with some empty coke wagons. A DMU on the branch. What else have we got? Let's have a look up here. The village is all up and running. I haven't put the lights on in the buildings up. Let's do that now. Without that one. Hey, our job is up again now. There's some restructuring work to do in there, as you can see where these wires, forget the wires, they'll all be gone now the next day or two. It's just I'm working on them at the minute, so just showing you that. And what we're up to up top there. I put the shed in there now. I think I'm going to go with this shed. The 2 lines there, it's all wired up, all been tested. All the point motors are fitted, look. They just need wiring underneath. See there's 2 empty stalls there in the storage fiddle yard, because there's 2 trains out running on the layout. And there's 2 parked up. There's this Western here parked up in the relief, and there's one of the other Westerns at the station. So all that's there. What else have we done? We've reinstated the coal yard now, we're going to put it here. I love my little coal yard. I've got to stick the door on that wagon, look at the end there, the door will come off, it's on the flatbed. It's obviously nowhere near finished yet, it's got to work into it, but I thought, yeah, we'll have the little coal yard there. The track is a bit long, I have to cut a bit off it so I can straighten that signal gantry up. I'm going with the signal gantry at the moment, you know, I may do something else there. So that's the plan there. I was thinking of putting some sort of British Rail depot in this space left here. You know, for the times of what we're talking about in the 1960s. And the foot's caught on a wire. Right. And this area then will be for the station. Now, there's a lot of work to do on this platform. Let's move them steps out of the way. But when that signal box will come out to there, that's going to be all, and that signal, it's going to be all platform there, with a building on it, and then all in there, there's going to be like toilets, waiting room, shops, etc., lights. I'm going to cut a bit off this, so it's flush with the timber, and we'll put that, I don't know what they call it, but you know the timber you get on the station, and it's all like V-shaped and all the rest of it. I'll put a road of that along the front of there then, to finish it off. Still waiting for this building to come so I can see what I'm going to do there. But you know, I'm going to get on these point motors. I've done a couple of them, but you get bored with them after a while, don't you? Have a break. So yeah, it's all good, it's all been running. I'll leave you the trains. I'm glad I changed all this. It's far more operational now than it was before. It was just plain boring before. I mean, look what I got to play with now. I got engine sheds, I got coal yards, I got fiddle yards, stopper. I got all this I got a massive station instead of a boring platform. And I got this other line now to play with. Yeah. So yeah, I think it was well worth doing. You know. Don't forget, we got all this to do in the future. You know, my terminus station is going in here. Big terminus building with an overbridge and everything. That's all to come yet. You know. Plus there's loads of detailing to do on the scenic work, yes. Look at all this got to be done. There's loads of work in this area to do. Yeah, it's all just done in good time. You know. Just showing you the craft. So look down here. The wharf area is still the same as it was. I've got to put the walkway in. You can see I started doing it. Put a walkway across that bridge and paint the water a more realistic colour, and this one. There's some fencing to go up and bits and pieces. I want to get a crane for it. I want to get another couple of barges. An empty one preferably, or two empty ones preferably. You know, in this business here, in this engineering business, I might change that to something like a mill or something, you know. Not sure yet. But yeah, the old Pullman. He loves it, the old Pullman. Glide, just glide, doesn't it? Lovely, lovely, lovely. That blue one's the same. Exactly the same. So, I think we'll leave it at that for now. Gives you an idea of what we're up to. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.